and there will be closure.
So
for me, it is important that I raise them, and that is, if it is seen in any way that national government kind of don't like what I say, I have no regret.
That issue of the Sandgate Railway and the issue of the dry port in Naivasha, you are talking for the people, on behalf of the people of Mombasa. Many analysts would see you as talking as if it is only the people of Mombasa that matter. As much as they matter, you see, the SGR and the dry port.
You see, what happens is that there is nowhere in the world that the operations of the port is moved away from the port area. It has never happened. I can tell you, and I can challenge anybody to bring that forward.
There's a dry port in Dubai.
There's a dry port in Dubai. Look at the vicinity between the port of Dubai and, in fact, there is no dry port in Dubai. I'm very well versed with the operations in Dubai because I have had a business relation with some of the Dubai companies. You're looking at the dry port at Jebel Ali, for example. It sits within the port of Jebel Ali. And for this one, it just won't work. What it means for the people of Mombasa is that clearing and forwarding, we're moving away from Mombasa to Naivasha. How many people are employed today in the clearing and forwarding industry? The hospitality industry, which means we host the port users.